Hello everyone, welcome to today's presentation. This video is about solving trigonometric equations. The question we are tackling today reads, find the size of acute angle y given that twice sine of 2y is equal to 3 cosine of 2y. We are going to begin by rewriting this equation and then dividing both sides of the equation by cosine of 2y. So here cosine of 2y and the left hand side also by cosine of 2y. Now cosine of 2y will cancel and then the equation will become twice sine of 2y over cosine of 2y is equal to 3. Well, the next thing is to do away with these two here, and therefore we are going to multiply that by a half. The right hand side also will multiply by the same factor. So these are half multiplies 2, so that we only have sine of 2y over cosine of 2y on the left hand side, and that is sine of 2y over cosine of 2y. And then on the right hand side, 3 by a half, that is 3 over 2. The next thing, we are going to recall a trigonometric identity. Sine of theta over cosine of theta is equal to tangent of theta. Now applying this identity on the left hand side of this equation here, sine of 2y over cosine of 2y resembles this, sine of theta over cosine of theta, and that therefore means that sine of 2y over cosine of 2y is equivalent to tangent of 2y. Remember, our theta here is 2y, and therefore sine of 2y over cosine of 2y is equal to tangent of 2y. Therefore, applying this in this equation, we are going to say tangent of 2y is equal to 3 over 2. Remember, tangent of 2y is the left hand side of this equation here. Sine of 2y over cosine of 2y is already equal to tangent of 2y, just as shown here. And therefore, tangent of 2y is equal to 3 over 2. Next, we are going to determine 2y by simply finding. So 2y is equal to the tangent inverse of 3 over 2. So we have tangent inverse of 3 over 2. And that means 2y should be equal to tangent inverse of 3 over 2 is 56.31. And therefore, dividing both sides by 2, 2 cancels 2, and 2 goes here once, 2 goes here 28.155, and therefore from this we can say that y is equal to 28.155, just as required in the question. And with that, we mark the end of the solution to this problem. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.